Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you another video of migration. So in this video I'll be showing you how to refresh your migration, that if you have already migrated and you want to again create your tables from scratch, so how you can do it. So let's get started. So in my previous video, I've shown you how you can add column to a table using migration. So I'll be continuing from there only. So I'll be showing you migration table. So here you can see, so I've created all this table using migrations. So migration table is basically keeping log of which all migrations you have already run. Otherwise new migration will only run. So let me show you in code now. So you can find your migration in database and inside that migration folders. So let me show you migration table one. So here you can see I have run migration 3 times. You can see batch number that I have run migration 3 times. So now let me show you how we will be refreshing, how we will be creating our database again. So to again migrate, write command php artisan migrate colon fresh. So you can see the output of this command. So firstly it will drop all the tables, then it's creating again these tables. All migration file run again. So now let me show you DB. So here before refreshing, just see the migration table with batch. So here you can see I have run migration with the batch number 3, like 3 times I have run migration. So here if I'll refresh table, then you can see all is having batch number 1, because now all table is created at a time in a single migration. So let me show you table now. So you can see contact table. So all columns are added. So you can also check the status of your migration. So for that you need to run command php artisan migration colon status. So this command will show you which migration is like already run so far. So let me just clear the terminal. Now I'll show you pretend option. So write command php artisan migrate and with option dash dash pretend. So it's like says nothing to migrate because I have already migrated. So let me just create one more migration here. Let's create a role table. So write php artisan make migration create role table. So now hit enter and new migration is created. So now run this pretend command. So before running, let me just add one column. Let's say string name. So basically it's a role name that I'm adding. So now let's run the command. So here you can see here it's showing you create table, role, and all these columns. So using pretend, you can see the SQL query. It doesn't actually run. It's just display the query which will run when you will run command php artisan migrate. So if I'll migrate, run php artisan migrate. So now you can see role table is created. And in migration table, its entry is there with batch number 2. If I'll check in database, so you can see role table is created. So let me just add one role here. So let's say create one admin role. So this one I'm adding to show you for as I can refresh to a step. So number of migration we can roll back. So I'll be showing you that. So for that I'm just adding this. So just clear the terminal and write refresh command. So write php artisan migrate with the refresh, and after that option step. So dash dash step and pass value as 2. So it will roll back last two migration and it will create again these last two migration. Step here is basically the number of migration you want to roll back and create again. So now in migration table you can see both these migration is having same batch number. So there is two command, migrate fresh and migrate refresh. So what's the difference between these two is that migrate fresh, it will be like used for new installation of our database. It will delete all the existing table and then runs the migrate command. Whereas migrate refresh one, it will have two commands. Firstly, it will roll back and then run migrate command. So in this video, I've shown you how to create your database again, basically refreshing your migrations. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. And in my next video, I'll be showing you how to roll back your migrations. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.